Samwel Uko's friends say his smile was the first thing you'd notice. But behind that smile was a troubled soul.
I need help, bro. I need help, bro.
His family says the young man went to the hospital twice for help with his mental health. Now the Saskatchewan Coroner's Service says it will launch an inquest into the young man's death. Justice Minister Don Morgan says the inquest was sparked by family concerns and public interest.
I'm hoping that a couple of things come out of it. One, I'm hoping that there's things that will give his family some comfort and some closure. It's a horrible thing to lose a family member, and I'm hoping that there's some things that will give government the ability to improve processes and procedures. These are horrible things to have happen.
The provincial opposition says more needs to be done when it comes to mental health. The opposition leader is asking for a provincial suicide prevention strategy.
We already know that the emergency rooms, the way we're currently operating, are not giving people the kind of help they need. That people are too often turned away, waiting hours and hours and winding up leaving, or their situation getting worse. That's just the example of what's missing when people are in crisis. The prevention element, suicide prevention strategy, primary care and access to counseling, all through the spectrum of what's needed in mental health.
The Pillars of Life Suicide Prevention Action Plan was released by the province a few weeks ago. It was endorsed by the Canadian Mental Health Association. Health Minister Jim Ryder says it can be improved and worked upon, but it will be their guide moving forward. Uko's family says they hope the inquest and its recommendations will prevent more unnecessary deaths and heartache in the future. Heidi Adder, CBC News, Regina.